Get a good picture?
Oh yeah. Video. That way I can watch you do it in slow motion.
Do it wrong, right? Good to see the picture.
I may have to speed this up.
I ain't just gonna happen. I'm stuck. Ain't gonna happen.
Thank you. I hope this isn't going in the paper.
I thought my YouTube thing was gonna be big.
Oh, God.
Are you videoing us?
Absolutely.
Here we go. I got it, Matt. Don't push it. Okay. There we go. Ready? Bring it in. Oh, let's get it off the sidewalk.
Oh, it's a riot. It's a riot.
Wait a minute. Who wanted to? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. He's still videoing.
Why is he doing that? He's gonna say.
Hey, we're doing a good job.
Yeah, stand that way. Hold on. Hold on. Ready? Should we get the limit when we get these in? We have to bring the legs back down. We have to bring the legs down. So what are you gonna do with this? I want to know. Did you help have our permission?
But good morning, Gloucester.
Huh? Good morning, Gloucester. Yeah, good morning. Look, now to this side, honey. You press it. You press the leg down. Put the leg. Come on.
Oh, wait a minute. Pick it up. Go. Put the leg.
All right, come over here.
Hold this side. Go.
I know it. I know it. Hold it.
Now, I think this is going to be on Comedy Central now.
I never had a better time in my life.
You please stop.
It's been a fun day. You
Go
know?
help her. Go help them out.
Yeah.
No. Just, can you pull this down? Push that. Push it down.
We're so wet.
You have to push it.
Thank you.
You're still nice people.
Thank you.
He's busy filming us, and you
You should be helping us.
All right, where's it? I'm local
Look at this
Vietnam.
guy. I'm really, what is he doing?
But if I helped you, it wouldn't have been as much fun on videotaping.
You have the fashion statement.
Matt, wait a minute. All right, let me,
Get up in front there. Move that shit down.
Hi, Joe. How are you?